Jody Walters here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're going to showcase the 2020 23 SPX sport boat by Sea Ray. If you look up boats online, the first name's going to pop up Sea Ray because they've been building boats for over 61 years. This boat is loaded on a really nice, high quality aluminum easy loader trailer. We'll come back to this. It's a beautiful white gel coat, limited lifetime warranty. Boat's equipped with the bimini top. There's a lot of features back here on the back of the boat that I'd like to talk about, so let's come forward. Now, as you may know, a lot of Sea Rays are equipped with inboard engines. This is powered by the Mercury 200, super quiet, efficient, but what that does is this frees up your cockpit space here. So where you normally would have your engine, you have tons and tons of storage. This layout pad also flips up. You've got a nice recliner back here on the back while you're watching the kids play, sitting back having cocktails on the island, just enjoying the sunset. This boat is equipped with a ski bar, got plenty of power to go water skiing, tubing. It's just an all-around great fun boat. As you come forward, we have lockers that keep everything dry, so you have everything nice tucked into play. Adjustable seats, so now you have a lounging area for the back. Nice size, what we like to refer to as emergency room. A portable head in there, plenty of seating up front. This is a great boat to go to the island. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Come see me, check out Facebook and link below, and we'll show you all the boats we got in stock. Thanks.